Hello, boys and girls. Today you're going to take Week 3 Assessment Lowercase Letter Names. So I'm going to click on Add Response, and I'm going to pretend to be a student. So when you open your page, this is what it's going to look like. Now remember that you can open this page on a different tab and have your Seesaw account tab open so you can circle the letter names that I say. You may pause the recording at any time just to give yourself some extra time to find the letter name that I say. You're going to use your writing tools to circle the word. So today I'm going to choose this one, and I just want it to be a little small. And we're going to do an example together. So I'm going to say the letter name, and then I'm going to circle it. So I'm going to begin with number 1. The letter name is E. E. I'm going to look at my row, and I'm going to look for the letter E. Once I find it, I'm going to use my writing tool, and I'm going to circle it. Then I'm going to move on to number 2. Now you have, on the first page, you have numbers 1 through 9 to do. Then you have a second page, and you have numbers 10 through 18. And then the third page, you have numbers 19 through 26. So you're going to begin with page 1. So we did the first one together. Now it's your turn to go ahead and continue the rest of this assessment by yourself. So I'm going to read the letter name 2 times, and then I want you to make sure that you circle only the letter that you hear me say. If you remember, if you need to pause the recording, you may do so just to give yourself some extra time to find the letter name. Also, remember that you need to do this independently. That means that your family members should not be helping you. They can help you with the recording, but let them know that you have to do this by yourself, and that you're going to circle the letter name by yourself. You're going to find and circle the letter name by yourself. So here we go. Let's go ahead and continue with number 2. Here is the letter's name. Y. Y. Using your writing tool, circle the letter Y. Number 3. Circle the letter O. O. Number 4. With your writing tool, go ahead and circle the letter H. H. Number 5. Circle the letter K. K. Number 6. Circle the letter B. B. Number 7. Circle the letter X. X. Number 8. Circle the letter M. M. Number 9. Circle the letter U. U. All right, now let's go ahead and move on to page number 2. So I'm going to click on page number 2, and I'm going to begin on number 10. Here we go. Listen to the letter name remember to use one of your writing tools to circle the letter name that I say only. Here we go. Number 10. Circle the letter G. G. Number 11. Circle the letter A. A. Number 12. Circle the letter N. N. Good job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and continue. Number 13. Circle the letter D. D. Number 14. Circle the letter L. L. Number 15. Circle the letter C. C. Number 16. Circle the letter Z. Z. Number 17. Circle the letter T. T. Number 18. Circle the letter J. J. Good job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and move on to our last page. We're going to click on page number 3. Again, we're going to use our writing tools just to circle the letter that Mrs. Bettis says. Ready? We're going to begin with number 19. Here we go. Number 19. Circle the letter I. I. Number 20. Circle the letter P. P. Good job. Let's go ahead and continue. We just have a couple more to go. Remember, keep a good growth mindset and try your best. Here we go. Number 21. Circle the letter S. S. Number 22. Circle the letter R. R. Number 23. Circle the letter Q. Q. Number 24. Circle the letter F. F. Number 25. Circle the letter V. V. Number 26. Circle the letter W. W. All right, boys and girls, this is the end of our assessment. You may go ahead and go back and double check your work. Make sure that you have completed all 3 pages. Make sure that you have answered each number. You have circled each letter that I have said. And then you're going to come here. Only when you have finished all 3 pages, you can click on the green circle with the check on it. Now remember, if you want to take a little break between your pages, you may do so. You may pause the recording and finish it later when you're ready. So make sure that you do complete all 3 pages and that once you are done with all 3 pages that you click the circle. I can't wait to see your results. Thank you.